Expressways, high-speed routes of the English language. Hello dear learners. Today, we're taking a trip down the English language road, and our destination. The term, expressway, let's explore what it means and how it's used in conversations. An expressway is a large, major road designed specifically for high-speed travel. They often have multiple lanes and are meant to help traffic flow smoothly. In many places, they might be free from intersections and traffic signals. Instead, to get on or off an expressway, drivers usually use ramps. The term, expressway, isn't the only way to refer to these high-speed roads. Depending on where you are in the world, you might hear freeway, often used in the US, motorway, common in the UK, highway, used in various places, but can sometimes refer to smaller roads as well. Autobahn, in Germany. It's interesting to see how the same type of road can have different names in various parts of the world. To better understand any term, it's helpful to see it in context. Here are some example sentences. 1. It's faster if you take the expressway instead of the local roads. 2. The city plans to build a new expressway to reduce traffic congestion. 3. She missed the exit on the expressway and had to drive an extra 20 minutes. And there you have it. The next time you hear the word expressway, you'll know exactly what it means and how to use it. Remember, language is a journey, and every new term you learn is a milestone. Safe travels on your language learning journey, and until next time, keep exploring.